Today we're going to be replacing our garage door opener. Right now we have a Chamberlain HD220. It's failed us many times. The adjustment buttons, adjustment controls don't work. The buttons are like dead. And it keeps not slowing down and then it just slams into the ground. So I'll do a quick demonstration of it just normally running. But we're gonna be replacing it with this Genie, I don't even know which one this is. Hold up. This was actually my neighbor's. He's getting a new one. Model 1028. Okay. So this one should be quite the upgrade because it has the Genie there belt drive. Let's see, I don't know if you guys can see that. So yeah, without further ado, let's run this door. Now I will be standing like right here holding the door because we have my friend's guinea pigs and they get pretty scared because the door makes a loud bang. Okay, let's do this. All right, we can close it. Alright, and you can even see it does not make full contact with the ground. See? Oh, it's okay, guys. It's just squeaking. Alright, so I'll do an after we replace it. I'm not going to film it because it's a lot of work replacing it. Well, not a lot of work, but it requires you to have free hands. So, yeah, see you guys there. Hey, guys. So it's a few days later. We have the Genie 1028 installed. It's got this weird belt drive. The belt drive's not weird, but it's the casing that it's in. Might be able to see how this belt's dangling out. It's really loose. I gotta tighten it. But other than that, it's pretty much all installed. See, it's got this the wall button, which isn't even screwed in yet, but I mean it works. And I've got a little lock switch up here. Pull that. Doesn't do anything. Okay. So let's open her up. One thing I'm not a huge fan of is how it just jolts to a stop. Our HD220 Chamberlain, it really slowed down. I know that's like a one of its kind, but usually most other openers also slow down quite a bit. Okay. So let's see, when we cover this up, it starts flashing like twice at a time. Okay, I got the green one over here. I won't show you guys the remotes right now. I can do like a separate video on the door. Let's see. There. But yeah, alright, close her up. Let's turn off the light.